Unveiling the scene, the art of setting up the backdrop. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's widely used not just in photography or stage design, but also metaphorically in various contexts. We're exploring, set up the backdrop. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English in both literal and figurative settings. So, let's get started. When we talk about setting up the backdrop, we're referring to the process of arranging the background for a scene, event, or photograph. This backdrop could be a physical curtain, a painted scene, or any material used to create a specific setting behind the main subject. It's crucial in photography, theater, and film production because it adds depth, context, and mood to the visual narrative. Imagine a photographer preparing a studio for a photo shoot. Choosing the right backdrop can transform the photo from ordinary to extraordinary. Beyond its literal use, setting up the backdrop can also be understood metaphorically. In this sense, it means preparing the background or context for a situation, event, or discussion. For example, when a speaker sets the backdrop before delving into the main topic, they're providing the audience with essential background information or setting the mood for the discussion. It's about creating a mental framework that helps listeners or participants fully understand and engage with the main subject. To see how versatile this phrase is, let's look at some examples. In photography, the photographer spent hours setting up the backdrop to ensure the lighting was just right for the portrait session. In theater, before the play could begin, the crew worked diligently to set up the backdrop, transforming the stage into a magical forest. In conversations, let me set up the backdrop for this story, so you understand why it was such a surprise to us. Understanding phrases like, set up the backdrop, goes beyond mere vocabulary building. It enriches your language skills, allowing you to communicate more effectively and creatively. Whether you're discussing a literal backdrop in a creative project or setting the stage for a compelling story, knowing how to use this phrase can make your communication more vivid and engaging. And that wraps up our exploration of set up the backdrop. Whether you're setting the scene literally or figuratively, this phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and applications for you. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be setting up backdrops in your conversations and stories with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.